at the setup of the Let us look at the setup of the project. First of all, this is the parking. These are different parking slots, and these are the parking sensors. The parking sensors sense whether the car has occupied the parking slot or not. This is the user console, and it is used to enter the OTP and to view the instruction for the user. Let us have a look at the app, Smart Park app. This is an Android mobile which has Smart Parking app in it. When the user logs into the app and checks for the availability status. And the user checks for the availability status and books for the parking. Then after selecting the appropriate payment options, the user gets an OTP 7350. So the user arrives at the parking, enters the OTP 7350. As the OTP is entered, the slot is assigned and the green signal is indicated. The user goes at the right slot. Then the next user books for the parking in the Android app. The user logs in, checks for the availability and books. After selecting the appropriate payment options, the user gets the OTP 1403. Then let us have a look at another user. The user logs into the app. Checks for the availability status. After the consequent steps, gets the OTP 9422. Now for example, this user arrives at the parking and enters the password wrongly. For example, 9433. As you can see, the message is displayed wrong OTP. And a red color light indicator glows. After that, the user again enters the right password 9422. As you can see, the slot has been assigned and the user occupies the corresponding slot. Now let us take another user who books for the parking. The availability status, and gets an OTP 8763. The user arrives at the parking, follows the consequent steps as explained earlier, and occupies the appropriate parking slot, and the green color indicator indicates the valid OTP. Now let us as we remember, the user who had booked before, the user 2, arrives at the parking slot lately and enters the OTP. It was 1403. The message is displayed, "You are late." Thus, the reserved slot for the user has been deallocated and is open for others to book. Now, consider the other user who books for the slot. The user logs in, follows the consequent steps, and gets the corresponding parking. The new user books for the parking slot, follows the corresponding steps, and gets the OTP. Now the user arrives at the parking, enters the password, as you can see, the slot 4 has been assigned, which was assigned to the other user earlier. thus the parking is now completely occupied. Now another user wants to book for the parking. And as you can, the user books for the parking and you can see the status for availability, it is full. Thus the user can't get the reservation for the parking. You can look at the booking history to view the earlier reserved parkings.